Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. New do, who this? Can you imagine them taking classic cookies, classic snacks, and making them cereals? That's what we're gonna find out today. We're gonna see if they hold up to what we know and love about s'mores, about Oreos, about even honey buns. Like, kind of mind blowing about here, right? So let's jump into that. So let's see the Nutter Butters. Those Nutter Butters are cookies, peanut butter cookies, kind of like sandwich cookies in this like distinctive shape, so you can kind of see what the original kind of cookie is there. And you can find the cookies on our site already. Oh my God, that smells like straight up peanut butter. Like if you are a peanut butter fiend, this right here, this right here, yeah. Like I like peanut butter, but like I'm not a fiend for peanut butter like some people are. But this is really good. Like it feels like the peanut butter is on the outside, so like you get that first. Of course it's crunchy because it's cereal, but something smooth about the peanut butter taste that you feel. Yeah, you taste just a couple. I'm running out of space in my stomach, y'all. It's just that like, it's not like bite peanut butter in your face like constantly like it was when I was eating it dry. I'm here for this. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Honey buns. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I love honey buns. Okay, yeah. Smells good. Okay. So this smells like, it smells how you might imagine like a bakery smelling. All right, here we go. I like it. I like this one a lot. I don't know if it tastes like honey bun to me. Yeah. Solid. All right, and we're back. My hair kind of matches the last box. Oh, s'mores. So I picked this up because I feel like what's more iconically Americana than s'mores? Okay. I feel like it's what they say on Chopped all the time. It's like, I feel like this isn't, this is not a cohesive meal that I have right now. I feel like it's just 3 individual ingredients. So let's see what's next. So here is the box. Yeah, so if you're not familiar, donuts, mini powdered donuts, they're already on our site. One of Raina's favorites, one of my favorites too. I wish I had the bags of donuts to compare right now. I don't know what it smells like, but it doesn't smell bad. I'm probably just smelling the powdered sugar and like it's giving me that like that baker's feel, like that bakery feel. Okay, what they nailed, like, and this is really surprising. I didn't think about this when I saw the box, but they nailed that like first bite of when you bite into a powdered donut and like the way the powdered sugar like feels on your tongue, like they nailed that. I'm so happy right now. You really do get like this feeling of you're eating the donuts. Like they did a really good job at that. Like that is a great adaptation of something that we grew up with. Good job, hostess. Donuts, 2 thumbs up. So if you guys aren't familiar, golden Oreos are essentially just like vanilla Oreos, so vanilla, like cookie, normal Oreo cream. I personally like golden Oreos better than chocolate Oreos. It smells like vanilla pudding. That's like exactly, it smells like, I want this as a candle. Nom, 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 nom. Yeah, I like these a lot. You know what kind of tastes like Captain Crunch? And I'm sure you can hear all this crunch. All right, next up, Chips Ahoy. Woo woo. So here's the box. First open. Underwhelming? Like it doesn't really smell like cookies. Okay. Doesn't quite taste like Chips Ahoy in my opinion. Probably not my favorite. I don't know if I would go for it again. I really enjoyed tasting all of these like classic snacks turned cereals. So if there's things that you want, things that you have seen that you want me to taste test for you, let me know. Put in the comments below. I really like kind of like delving out there and seeing what's new. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Check us out on the things, social media, website. Eat well and travel often. Bye.